Vlogmas. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So happy Vlogmas day 22. Today we're gonna make some holiday drinks, and I mentioned it on yesterday's video. If you guys have not watched Vlogmas day 21, make sure to check that vlog out because it did go out pretty late last night. I had to wait for an approval from the company that I was working with on this hair, and they approved it like later on, and I did not want to miss a day, so I still uploaded the video. I think I uploaded it at like 9:30, so it was pretty late. So if you haven't watched that video, please go check it out. Show your girl some love. But a lot of you guys hit me up on Instagram and asked if I can do some affordable drinks. So what I'm gonna try to do is just find something that only requires like 1 or 2 ingredients for the drinks. So I did, you know, kind of skim through Pinterest, but I didn't really find nothing that I was too interested in because I told y'all that I wanted to use that chocolate vodka that I have. So we'll just see what I grab. I'm gonna go to the store right now. My watch band comes in today, so I'm super excited about that. And then we're getting little Tony an iPhone for Christmas, along with of course some other things, but I think we're gonna go do that today. I'm not too sure because we haven't got it yet because we would have to do the transfer and stuff like that, and we don't want to really give it away, so I don't know how we're gonna do it. But or I guess we can just buy it and then activate it on, girl, we'll figure it out. All right, y'all, so I'm at J. Alexander. I'm gonna have lunch by myself. I just got a new bag. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I made it back home. I did a little bit of last minute shopping. I went bought my son some outfits, like 2 outfits. I bought myself a Louis Vuitton bag. It's right there. And I bought some perfume. I think this is the last one that I'm gonna buy for a while. I think this was the last one that I wanted. So I just bought the Valentino, and the only sizes that they had, they didn't have the 2.7 or whatever. So I just bought the 1.7 bottle. Also came with a roller ball. And then, I don't know what this is. It just says Valentino Beauty. Oh, this is like a little Valentino mirror. And this was $110 or something like that. So I bought that. My watch was waiting for me at the door, period. So my watch band. If you guys are new here, I have, a Fitbit that I'm in love with. It's right here. And oh Lord. And the band came in today that I ordered from Amazon. I'm sweating a little bit, y'all, because I had to tote all that stuff in the house and it was not fun, okay? And I might get a knock at the door soon because the guy's supposed to come out and fix my garage. Oh hell. Okay, I might have to wait for Tony. But here's the band. Just something plain. Okay, so let me show you guys what I picked up for our drinks today. So I wanted to do something that was budget friendly. So I picked up some sangria. I think this was like $9. I've had this before when I want to make like a little chocolate martini. This is chocolate vine, and it is a chocolate red wine. It looks just like chocolate, but it's really good. So I'm gonna use this, and then we're gonna do some whipped cream with it, and then we're gonna garnish it. Well, I'll probably do like some cocoa powder or something on top of the whipped cream. And then on the side, we're gonna do little gingerbread men. Some of them are broke, but it's enough of them in there. So this is how they look. and I got these from Publix. And then I also picked up some rosemary, and this is just for garnish for the drinks. Some cranberries and some mint leaves. So let's get started. I know I forgot to link this little tripod yesterday, so I'll make sure to link it, oh goodness, today. Hopefully it's tight enough because Tony did it for me yesterday. Okay. But this thing is really, really cool. Come on. This piece right here, they have like a connection for your phone and your camera. So I'm gonna take y'all off of my little small tripod and put y'all right here. So excuse these two lights right here. That's from my light that I have under my cabinet. So I can't really do anything about that. So the first thing that we're gonna do is the chocolate wine. I'm just gonna top it off with some of this non-dairy almond milk Ready Whip. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this cocoa. Sprinkle it on top, like that. And then we're gonna take one of these gingerbread cookies. And there you go. Next up, we're going to do a sangria with a little bit of Prosecco. So this is the Prosecco that I'm using. I haven't opened it yet, so I have to pop this bottle. A little bit of this, just to give it a little fizz. Now I've never done this one before, so I'm just experimenting right now. Let's put a little bit more Prosecco. I actually make my mimosas with Prosecco. And then this one is pretty simple, so we're just gonna drop a few cranberries in, like that. Garnish it with a little piece of rosemary. Okay, now we're going to do a little taste test. So this is the sangria with a little bit of Prosecco. Y'all think of a name for this. That's good. So it basically tastes just like a sparkling sangria. So this one is really good. This will be perfect for my girls that don't really like the taste of alcohol, but you still want to have a good time. This one will be perfect for you, and it's really cute and very festive. I really like that one. And the next one, now this one is really strong, like, because y'all know that wine, that chocolate wine is 14%, so that's strong for me. So let's taste it. It basically tastes like a spiked hot cocoa, pretty much. But how cute. And you can do this with just hot cocoa for your baby, and then you can have the adult one. So good. I just made myself some holiday nachos. They look so good. And of course I use the Beyond Meat. I mix my cheese and my salsa together, and then I put shredded cheese on top and pop it in the oven. And this is what we have. Sometimes I get a little fancy with it, but I didn't have all of my fancy ingredients, so you know, this is what we're working with. I actually forgot my sour cream, but that's okay because I do have some sour cream in there. Ooh, love a good cheese pull. Y'all want to bite? You know you want to bite. All right, y'all, so we're going to see the Christmas lights. I'm gonna take a little sip of my wine. Cheers. I already blew out my candle. I got my little apple pumpkin candle burning. This will instantly put you in the holiday spirit. It's my favorite holiday candle. Okay, let's go.
Hey, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the ripples in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time.